You held me back when I tried to move on from your life. So you stole my life with clarity. So hold me back, now you're here, 'cause I'm mad.
Hey guys, and welcome to my laundry room declutter and organize. This one's gonna be a really quick one because honestly I couldn't get very many angles. Our laundry room is very small, but the before and afters in this video are everything. I'm just showing you some before shots right now, but let me know because I am using my new camera and microphone. Let me know how it sounds and how it looks. I'm genuinely curious to know what you guys think. Just gonna start by pulling everything out of the cabinets and then giving them a good wipe down like I usually do on this channel. And if you've been watching this channel for at least the last couple weeks, you know that I have caught the decluttering bug. I am going to every room in my house and I am decluttering, getting rid of stuff and reorganizing, and I've been really proud of how it's turning out. So I'm gonna link that playlist at the end in case you're interested in seeing the rest of my house. As for a little backstory on this house was built in the year 1950 and my fiance bought it when he was 25 years old and he's been in this house for 10 years. So it was a total bachelor pad, and here I am now cleaning it up and hopefully making it a little bit prettier. Honestly, I'm having a ton of fun doing it and it's been so fun to share that with everybody here. Here's everything that came out of my cupboards and here is what they are now going into. And if you have been following, you know I love these little baskets. I get them from Target. But when I was there last time, I saw these beautiful little glass jars and I thought that they would look perfect in the laundry room, and I'm honestly shocked at how well they turned out. Now I'm organizing things into the baskets. I put the attachments for our Shark vacuum in one and the extra dryer balls in the other. And I was originally planning on having one empty for if something just came up, but as you'll see in a minute, it didn't end up fitting in, so only the dryer balls and the Shark attachments actually end up going into the cabinet.
We're falling down, we fading, but I know that we can save it. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Even if we go a lot.
And here's what I'm talking about when I say the before and afters are everything. I couldn't have asked for it to look any better, especially being how small it is, and I'm really impressed with how this ended up looking. Now I'm just cleaning up the wall because it has a little smudge on it, and I'm just gonna straighten these up. Not a lot of decluttering need to happen with these, but I'm taking everything out of this corner right now, and this was a task. You're about to see how gross the floor was in a second, and then I'm gonna show you the after. Just look how much better it is. And again, I'm sorry I couldn't get a good angle just because there was no safe way to put my tripod, but here's the after for that corner. And I'm just gonna quickly clean up the laundry room because I don't think that the job is really done if everything is still dusty and dirty. I just wanna really take the time to deep clean the space after. And I had a couple of things that I had to put in Kennedy's closet, had to put her bath stuff because it didn't fit in the laundry room anymore. But I am so grateful that you watched this quick little decluttering video. I had a lot of fun making it. It was so satisfying to see the before and afters. There are so many videos that I am just so excited for that are coming up on this channel, so make sure that you're subscribed and you have all your notifications turned on. And if you enjoyed this video as much as I did, please remember to like and drop a comment telling me what you thought of the new camera or just the organization in general. I would really love to hear your feedback. And now that we're nearing the end of this video, I'm just gonna let the music play out because honestly, this is one of my favorite songs to use, and I hope you love it as much as I do.
Whatever happens doesn't matter.